Hi guys! Our title today is Digital Accessibility. Digital accessibility means making sure that everyone, no matter their abilities, can use technology easily and comfortably. Let's start with some examples. Imagine if you had trouble seeing, or if you couldn't use your hands to type or click a mouse. Digital accessibility means that websites, apps, and other technology are designed to be easy to use for people with disabilities. For example, some websites have text-to-speech options so that people who have trouble seeing can listen to the content. Others may have high contrast settings, making it easier for people with low vision to read the text. Another example of digital accessibility is closed captions. Closed captions are when the words of a video or audio clip are displayed on the screen. This is really important for people who are deaf or hard of hearing, so they can still understand what's happening in the video. There are also special devices and software that can help people with disabilities use technology. For example, some people may use a screen reader, which reads aloud the text on the screen. Others may use a special keyboard or mouse that's designed for people who have trouble using their hands. Digital accessibility is important because everyone deserves the chance to use technology and access information. By designing technology with accessibility in mind, we can make sure that no one is left behind. That's our time for today, guys. We hope you've learned something new. See you next time.